punching him right now. Look, they're gonna shoot him probably. Careful.
You zoom in?
Oh yeah, I'm zoomed in. They're fighting him, trying to get him out. Yep.
Oh my God, he's fighting them.
He's trying to get out.
Zoom in more.
I got it.
Another one's holy. There's two more coming.
There's three.
Oh shit. Watch out, you guys. Here it comes. They're gonna beat his ass. I gotta film this. That's enough. He's saying please and stop.
They don't need this many.
No, they don't.
Another one's coming.
Hold on.
There's another one.
Hold on. He's saying I have a spinal cord injury. And he's not resisting.
Well, if he wasn't, then they wouldn't be fighting him.
No, that's how they are. He kept saying, you can blink that. That's how they are, dude. You know that as well as I do.
He's trying to block this.
I know. I know.
Okay, I need to
1 second, I just want to see him stand him up.
Oh my God. There's like 10 of them.
I know. Alright.
Hold on, show all the cop cars.
All that for one person.
All there for one person.
Jeez.
For one.
Look at that.
1, 2, 3,
For one guy.
Zoom in, I want to see who the guy is.
6, 7,
A black guy?
8, 9.
Oh, he's black or Mexican.
Yeah, he looks black. Zoom in.
Mix this down. I can't because it's blurry.
Do it slow. Zoom in slowly.
Hey, he's a black guy. Alright, we can go now.
I live in 6049 Alcott. I'm telling you, I was giving a friend a ride. And then you gonna tell me I'm going to jail for obstructing. How am I obstructing? And I'm telling you
He's
guys,
going to jail for obstructing.
Yeah, because I heard it. He was asking him to get out, and he said, what did I do? And he said, I'll tell you after you get out. And he said, tell me first before I get out. And then they ripped him out of the car. Alright, let's go.
my name is Charles Williams.
His name is Charles
Williams.
Look, and there's another cop right there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Also one black guy.
Yeah. And look at all those cops. Like, that's in...
They're still coming.
They're still coming, dude.
For one black guy.
Yeah. It's just the way it is. Unfortunately.
See, it's not the white people that are the problem. It's the cops against blacks.
Yeah. They ripped him out of the car. Alright, go, babe.
I feel bad.
I do too, because all he was saying, I heard him. What is it I do? What did I do wrong? The guy said, I saw you coming from this neighborhood or whatever.